This is Arkview, guys. The website, arkview.org. Same link as before. But
all right, this is how it works.
Good.
You choose a track. You attend live sessions. You catch up on recorded sessions. You ask questions on WhatsApp. All right. And the way it works is that me and a team of teachers, we take essentials. You're starting from zero. You come to us. We're going to teach you basic Aqida, basic tasawwuf, character, spirituality. You're going to learn your madhab in fiqh. And Sheikh Nuh Saunders will teach you the tafsir of the Quran. And you'll learn tajweed. And if you have kids, hifz. We have a hifz teacher. If you have youth, we have a teacher for that. So you enroll in that. And it used to be, my classes were split. All my classes are now in essential. And I teach Awailim on Sunday. Awailim means little scholar. I teach that on Sunday. There's over 30 hours a week of live classes in essentials. Then you could go to Arabic and become a specialist and become focused specifically on Arabic with Sheikh Mahdi Lak. Mahdi Lak, the thing about him, he cares so much about his students. And that's why this is the most successful program that we have in Safina Society. You know that? The most successful one by Sheikh Mahdi Lak. And then everyone today is all about Aqida. Click apply. As long as you study Tahawi, you got to give me something, right?
oh, look at that.
As long as you give me something. Tahawi, Al-Fiqh Al-Akbar, you got to give me something. Then you're going to study a lot of books with Sheikh Murabit.
Allahu Akbar. Look at this. That's an amazing curriculum.
Yep.
You guys will get up to Sharh Mukhtasar Sanusi and Mantiq.
Yep.
Sharh Al-Kubra, Sharh Al-Aqaid.
You will learn so much. Become a mentee and become the student of Sheikh Murabit.
Hashiyat al-Dusuqi on
Yep.
Ibrahim.
Hashiyat al-Dusuqi on Barahin. You're going to learn Sharh al-Muqaddimat, Tahdib Sharh al-Sunus. You are going to be mutamakkin
You'll
in
be a
Aqida.
theologian.
Hanafi Fiqh is with Sheikh Imran. Click on that.
This is Sheikh Imran's Hanafi
Now,
Fiqh.
let's see the...
Oh, I'm excited to read this. All right.
All right. So what?
Quduri.
You're going to study Mukhtasar al-Quduri. You're going to study Nur al-Idah.
This is you want to make this book, if you're a Hanafi, you want to make it your companion. So like so the ulama would recommend to memorize this book, Quduri.
Yep.
Because you're going to be studying like Hawashi and Shuruhan, like Hidayah. Al-Hidayah is like the last book. It's a Hashiyah on
Quduri, tell me the difference between Quduri and Nur al-Idah.
Nur al-Idah is more, it's a lot more recent of a text, and it's it goes in depth on ibadat. So it's by Imam Ashurun Budali, an Egyptian scholar. Passed away in 1069 Hijri.
It's all ibadat only.
It's
only.
ibadat, but it's pretty in depth. It's very in depth. And then Maraqi al-Falah is a sharh, and it has very in depth ibadat. So.
All right, very good, very good.
You guys are covering some of Rasm. This is a text on Ifta that usually you study later on, like right before you graduate, right? Maybe a few years before. So Sheikh Imran, he's teaching you about the madhab, about kind of like points of Ifta in the first year.
Yep.
And so the structure of the madhab, and you're learning the history of from Sheikh Imam al-Kawthari.
Yeah.
This is good. Oh,
History. So Omar, Omar is a Hanafi and knows all about the madhab and is pumped about this.
That looks amazing. I'm jealous. Like now I want to take it. I should be taking these online classes. Why don't I take these? Yeah.
Let's go to look at Maliki Fiqh. All right. Let's go to the curriculum. You're going to study Al-Habl al-Mateen, Sharh Mayyara on Ibn Ashir, Al-Risala, حاشية العدوي على الرسالة, إيصال السالك شرحه في أصول الفقه. And then you're going to study Khalil.
Oh, level 3 Khalil.
And Maraqi al-Saud in أصول الفقه and منهاج القواعد الفقهية. Okay.
$25. It's free. Come on. This is free.
It's free.
This is free.
Right. All right. Let's go to Shafi'i Fiqh. Shafi'i Fiqh. You will be studying الفقه المنهجي على مذهب الإمام الشافعي, and that's the whole curriculum because that's going to be all you need. And this is what they study in Sham. And again, you will have a teacher who cares. You're going to have a teacher who will follow up with you. And we're also teaching Hanbali Fiqh. Hanbali Fiqh. What is the curriculum in Hanbali Fiqh? All right, Foundations of the Hanbali Madhab by Sheikh Yusuf ibn Sadiq. Al-I'ana لطالب نيل الرغائب في فقه العبادات على مذهب الإمام الأمثل أحمد بن حنبل, بداية العابد وكفاية الزاهد. And then you're going to study فروع الفقه لابن عبد الهادي. And then أخصر المختصرات by Ibn Bilban. زاد المستقنع after that. So I'm telling you, it's really, really good to study this stuff. It's really good to have a mentor in fiqh. You got to have a mentor in fiqh or aqida, whatever you're studying. And that's where we're going. We want people to get in now, and we may close the door on the applications so that the first year students can settle, you know? So get in before you close the door on applications.
If you don't sign up for this, come on, what are you doing?
Our whole point of Nothing But Facts is to make
so
people
good.
love knowledge. Now that you love knowledge, we need to go to the specialists and study and learn. These are the ones who know what they're doing. They love it, and they will take you up the mountain. And if you're just starting, you need the baby steps, and you need to be spoon-fed. Come to me, and my friends will show you the way. We'll teach you and educate you
You know, on the
on
Aqida,
what you need.